day, it was a really different experience dahil para kaming nag-live prenup shoot. Kasi real-time posting ang lahat.
Yes.
So when you saw the tag photos, talagang nagulat kami kasi napagalaw nila yung mga pictures namin.
Nag-viral, di ba?
At nag-viral, no?
Trending topic, oh yeah. Actually, good evening everyone, and I'm so excited finally to launch itong phone na to, and curious din ako. Kasi with this phone, sobrang intriguing yung AI features ito. So that's why I'm looking forward na nagamitin din at i-launch na to tonight.
Yeah, so the execution was very kakaiba.
Sobrang kakaiba.
So Shaira, I have one question for you right now. We've used the Honor 400 5G, and of course, during the prenup, what was it like? So many Honor 400 5Gs were taking photos of you, and also, of course, Duki was there.
Kaya nang sabi ko kanina, sobrang first time talaga namin to kasi hindi namin in-expect talaga na merong 100 influencers na nagtitake ng kung saan-saang angle, but still, ang ganda nung kinalabasan, yung quality ng photos, even na ang daming, kunyari, ang daming tao behind us, na-erase nila yon through AI. Diba? So nakaka-amaze kasi it gets the job done.
Yes. So in all honesty, the first set was the wow and the shocker, right?
Yes,
so
wow.
It was really a trending topic when a lot of people was just posting the first set pa lang yun. So how do you find the online reception of your prenup together with Honor?
Actually, we were shocked noong una kasi talagang daming nagko-congratulate sa amin. Congratulations, best wishes. So, so nagulat kami na, uy, present na pala tayo. Parang on the spot, kinasal kami because of Honor, di ba? Kasi ang ganda nung reception, talagang kahit photo lang siya, gumagalaw kami. Meron nga doon nakatag sa amin, parang about to kiss yung photo. Pero nung pinanood namin, naging AI siya talaga, nag-kiss kami. So, pinag-kiss kami.
At hindi lang peck yung nakita namin, hindi lang siya smack. Nakita namin tuloy-tuloy na kiss siya. So, nakakaaliw nung feature ng AI na Honor 400 5G.
Alright, so let's go to the camera capabilities of the Honor 400 5G. Of course, Duki, you've experienced this one. How about the AI features of the Honor 400? How do you find it useful in terms of the situation like a prenup?
Well, as a photographer, I really appreciate having AI in the Honor 400 5G because you can actually edit the photos right in the phone. And if you want to delete something or if you want to move something, you can actually do it without having Photoshop, actually.
Alright, so to add on top of that, how about the camera quality? Because of course, during a prenup, it has to be fast, it has to be really impromptu. So how about the camera quality of the Honor 400?
Again, 200 megapixels is more than enough for having it's actually bigger than my professional camera. So the quality and the sharpness are really on point, and also the colors and what else? I think the details are really, you can see the details in the photos as well.
And of course, taking photos of Shaira and EA was flawless, I guess. Or
it was
easy,
very easy. Because you can see the chemistry of them having. It's really easy to shoot them, and also very natural. That's why it was a quick shoot.
Alright, of course, one of the highlights that day was we use AI image to video, right? So that's the main feature of the phone. From all of the prenup shoots and that they posted it online, you saw the reactions or your reaction about the AI image to video posted online. So before we continue, raise your hands naman, sino sumali ng prenup shoot, guys? So from our friends from the media who were able to participate, of course, you guys are a part of it, and we're going to feature some of the AI image to video here in the screen for your reaction as well. So this one is from Orange Magazine TV.
Happy 50!
Linaw. Ayan ko lang na! Ayun sinasabi mo!
So this one generated more than 6 million views already.
More than. I saw one post, umabot siya ng 12 million views.
Pero ang dami siya lang nila, no? Naghahanda na. Alright, next one, we have a video from Yucatec. This one is an AI image video, so that's why it's 5 seconds. But how's your reaction naman to the movements and also, did it capture yung actual moment of that prenup?
Actually, I was about to say that. Natural na natural. Kasi, syempre, kami yung gumawa niyan, kami na siya. So,
Yes.
talagang sabi ko, ganun ata yung ginawa ko. So, na-capture talaga.
Yes.
Na-capture talaga ng Honor 405G.
Tsaka ang maganda dito, parang katulad niyan, very simple lang yung ginawa namin post dyan. Pero when it turned into a video, wala siyang masyadong unnecessary movements. So mukha talaga siyang totoo. It
Alright.
looked real.
Yes. And the next one we have from Gisgay. As you can see, they take a selfie. So it's very natural talaga yan, you know? Alright? And the next one we have from Noipy Geeks. Super
Oh,
daming
diba?
cameras and tinignan
Yes.
photos sa inyo.
Medyo gabi na natin ito kinunan. So, alam ko, natatandaan ko, ang mga smile namin dito, medyo pagod na, pero because of AI,
Fight lang.
nakangiti kami dito, di ba?
Actually, ito yung last layout natin. Pero makikita nyo, natural na natural talaga. Yung talagang yung mga ngiti namin is parang kilig na kilig talaga.
Very interesting yung picture talaga.
Yes. And the last one we have from Tech Runner Rocky, Final Station.
Tawa-tawa.
Parang sobrang saya ko dyan, ano?
It's a very candid moment.
Yes.
Yes.
At saka ang ganda lang sa pakiramdam na parang nababalik or naaalala mo yung mga oras na ginagawa niya na talagang happy lang, di ba? So ito, thanks to Honor 405G's AI feature, ayan, ang happy-happy namin.
And it captures timeless moments like this.
I believe all of these shots and images to video generations deserve a round of applause. Right, guys? So give yourself a round of applause again. And thank you to everyone who participated as well. Ian, Shira, and of course, Dugi, thank you so much for being part and so game to this very unique execution and for allowing the Honor 405G to be part of your prenup. Of course, congratulations in advance as we look forward for your upcoming wedding.
Thank you. Thanks to Honor
Invited pa kami lahat.
405G.
Invited pa kami lahat.
Gusto mo ngayon eh?
Alright, so with that, let's take a quick photo op.